Hey everyone! Today, we are going to cover 5 best mildew removers for boat seats in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is RMR86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. Are those unsightly spots and damp smell ruining your peaceful sea holiday? Then pack this essential cleaner with your sunscreen and swimming trunks. This boat cleaner and deodorizer is a must-have item to include in your luggage. The RMR86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover is a necessity for active boaters. This ready-to-use spray plays a vital role in removing stains that have been left behind by mold. If you can't get any more sight of those black spots during your boat vacation, then take this vinyl mildew cleaner out for a quick spray and return relaxing for a bit as it works like a professional. It is especially useful for boat owners who suffer from boats that have an old cabin odor. Not only will it leave your boat spotless, but it will maintain a fresh scent for an extended period. Surely, your boat will turn out looking and smelling clean with this alternative. Many boat owners also love this option because it cleans and restores wood to its perfect condition. There will not be any need to replace those floors because it can get through porous surfaces and deeply cleanse them from hidden mold and mildew. It can also penetrate the concrete, drywall, and tiles, making it a suitable cleaning agent at home. Number 2. Our second best pick is BRITE Mildew Stain Remover. If your boat seats have suffered from massive mildew, then this BRITE Mildew Stain Remover is destined for you. We personally love this product because of how easy it is to apply. Just spray it on the affected surface, leave it on for a minute, and rinse when the stain magically disappears. Aside from saving time, you also conserve energy as mildew is removed on contact. This means that there is no need for heavy brushing, making boat mold removal less laborious. What makes this product suitable for your boats is that it is particularly made for marine use. Moreover, you won't have to worry about your boat seat's delicate threads and upholstery, as this vinyl mildew cleaner, as tough as it may be, is friendly with them. If you have already used multiple items and spent a considerable time scrubbing without any satisfying outcome, then it must be time to shift to this. In addition to vinyl, this boat mildew remover works on many surfaces, including wood, awnings, concrete, fiberglass, and other outdoor acrylic materials. Unlike other commercial brands, its buffered bleach formula can eliminate any filth instantly. Then again, it is ideal to test it first on inconspicuous areas before use. Number 3. Our third best pick is BRITE Ultimate Mildew Stain Remover. As much as boaters would love to go out all year and every season in the waters, winter comes, and it gets a little chilly to brave the winds. Hence, it's time for the boats to sleep through the cold season in the garage, where mildew thrive in damp and dark corners. But with the BRITE Ultimate Mildew Stain Remover, keeping molds away for a long time won't be a problem. Similar to the original BRITE Mildew Stain Remover, this alternative eliminates mold stains on contact with fewer muscles. It is simple to use by spraying or wiping on the surface to be treated, then rinsing off with a little scrubbing. As expected, this BRITE remover shows impressive versatility. It can be used on boats and at home to clean almost any surface, including vinyl, fiberglass, painted surfaces, upholstery, rubber, and more. But what makes it superior is its special gel formulation. Unlike other ordinary sprays, this mold remover has a cleaning action that lasts longer on any material, even on vertical surfaces such as walls, doors, and more. If you're already impressed with the original one, wait until you see this gel spray face mildew over time, living up to its ultimate branding. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BETTER Boat Mildew Stain Remover. If you desire an effective boat seat cleaner, look no further than the BETTER Boat Mildew Stain Remover. To start, this mold cleaner won't fail your expectations with its effortless and exceptional cleaning capability. It also offers fast and comfortable results, making stains disappear by just spraying it on the surface and using water to rinse them off. Moreover, it inhibits new mold growth, keeping those boat seats white and spotless over time. This stain remover is an outstanding choice for long-lasting protection. It prevents mildew formation by getting through the interior and exterior parts of the material and breaking down the mold's actual source. It is amazing how it continues to work wonders even after washing it off after use. Aside from cleaning boats, this mildew remover is recommended for both indoor and outdoor cleaning. Whether it be old or new stains, it can be applied on various surfaces such as vinyl, plastic, fiberglass, and more. Surprisingly, it also works all right with fabric. This makes it an ideal choice when restoring any worn-looking camping gear, patio furniture, or recreation vehicle to its former condition. This option is worth the money when it comes to taking care of your boat seats. It is a 4-in-1 product that allows cleaning, stain removal, mold prevention, and restoration. It will not only meet expectations but set the bar higher. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is BRITE Sail and Amp Canvas Cleaner. This option is for boat owners searching for an eco-friendly solution for dull sail covers and horrible boat seat mold stains. Formulated with biodegradable components, this BRITE Sail and Amp Canvas Cleaner can get rid of any dirt, mold, and stains on your boat while being mindful of the environment. Like most boat mildew removers, this cleaning agent is specially formulated to treat marine upholstery like vinyl seats and cushions. Staying true to its name, this stain remover is popular because it can be used to clean sail and canvas. Many customers prefer its fabric-safe formulation that can astoundingly restore soiled boat seats and covers until they become white again. Besides, it won't cause discoloration of materials but revive its colors instead without any damage on stitchings. So, do not be hopeless about those heavy stains and brighten up by using this amazing product. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.